Maybe. I now want to demonstrate how you can graft 2 root stocks with one scion. And I mean 2 root stocks from one seed, because they all have a good size and good shape. So you need to cut on both sides like that. Make sure that your laser is sharp enough to cut a good cut. This might take time, so that is why we normally we are not used to it, especially when we are running out of time. So after that, you take your scion. It should have at least 3 buds, and also cut it on 2 sides as well, because you want it to be inserted. You can choose to tie it directly like that, but also you can choose to bisect this one root stock into 2 and this root stock into 2, so that you will be able to now even the scion, you must cut it into 2 again, like that. I hope it is visible on the camera, and insert on both sides as well, and make sure that the scion and the root stock are of the same height. You insert on that side. You insert them on both sides. You can see how we have inserted them. See how it has formed W. This scion has you have inserted it into this rootstock and this one, and now we shall tie it tightly so that we can start to monitoring it to see how the success rate will be in 1 month's time. So let's tie it. So that is how it does our 2 rootstock and join them to 1, making 1 seedling instead of 2. Thank you very much. Yes.